So after my tweet went viral, I had loads of people coming to my DM telling me how very happy they are about this, how they'll be willing to work with me to achieve this dream. And it wasn't easy. There is this thing with Twitter virality. It's for a moment. If you go viral on Twitter, if you don't capitalize on it, if you don't hold on to it strongly, the algorithm leaves your end. So I consulted with people who has been in this phase before. My very good friend, I'll keep mentioning his name, Oyiga Michael. Oyiga Michael advised me. He said, Mpa, as this thing don't be like this now, the first thing you go do, open Twitter group, add some people. He was just giving me directives and directions about everything. So I opened the Twitter group. I added about 150 persons in the group. And then off that my tweet, I had loads of people reacting to, yeah, wanting to join me in being in my planning committee, in making this dream come to life. Tweet led, I'm a very, very religious person. I don't joke with prayers. I don't joke with listening to God. I don't joke with hearing directly from my chi. I also practice the Igbo religion of Ordinary. So I started going through my tweets, DMing some people, adding them to a planning committee that I already opened a WhatsApp group for. And everybody on my planning committee, I didn't know them from anywhere. Every single person on my planning committee, I've never met them before. I didn't know them from anywhere. The spirits just led me to them. The first person I think I added was Emmanuel Powers, then Susan, then this lady, Marinated Talks, and then a few other person, and the Chidiogo herself, who was the inspiration behind my own inspiration to make that tweet. So that was basically how we put together the committee and we started planning effectively from the 8th of May. We started drafting out our plans and how to go about everything.